If you want to download Cider AI on Windows, this quick tutorial will walk you through the safest and easiest way to do it step by step. This is a great option if you want to install the app properly from the official source and avoid random third-party download sites. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. You can use any browser, but Chrome makes this process simple and easy to follow. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar at the top and type download Cider AI for Windows. After that, press enter and look through the search results carefully. You want to find the official website for Cider AI, so make sure you choose the legitimate download page and not an unrelated site. When you find the official website, click on it to open the page. On the website, look for the Download Now button. This is usually the main button that starts the installation process, so go ahead and click it. After you click Download Now, you should be redirected to the Microsoft Store page for Cider AI. This is a good sign because it means the app is being delivered through Microsoft's trusted platform. On the Microsoft Store page, click Download. The installer will then begin downloading automatically to your Windows device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download starts, you can simply wait for it to finish. After that, you'll be ready to complete the installation and start using Cider AI on your Windows PC. So that's how you download Cider AI on Windows in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.